Hello, you are listening to an article from Webmobyle.com. Webmobyle, with a Y, provides quality, people-centered, professional mobile app and web development services with globally competitive pricing. The title is The Hidden Dangers of DIY Website Builders for Serious Businesses. It may seem like a quick win, launching your business website in a few hours using a DIY platform like Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify templates. For small side projects, these tools offer an accessible path to getting online fast. But for serious businesses with long-term goals, relying on DIY website builders could be silently sabotaging your growth by causing slow page speeds, limiting SEO potential, and creating a generic online presence that fails to convert visitors into loyal customers. Here's why. The allure of DIY website builders. There's no denying their appeal. Low upfront cost, drag and drop simplicity, instant publishing. They're ideal for personal blogs, portfolios, or testing an idea. But that same simplicity becomes a limitation when you need your website to perform, scale, and represent your brand at a high level. Where DIY builders fall short. 1. Limited customization and scalability. Most DIY platforms lock you into pre-designed templates. Customizing beyond their limits is either impossible or requires workaround hacks that break easily. As your business grows, adapting your website to new needs becomes frustratingly restrictive. 2. SEO and performance issues. DIY sites often come with bloated code, slow load times, and limited SEO control. You may not be able to optimize meta tags properly or structure data for search engines. According to Google, even a 1-second delay in mobile load times can impact conversion rates by up to 20%. This means your site might not rank well, no matter how good your content is. 3. Weak brand identity. When hundreds of other businesses are using the same templates, your brand starts to look like everyone else's. A strong brand needs a unique visual and user experience to build trust and recognition. 4. Integration limitations. Need a custom booking system, a customer dashboard, advanced analytics. DIY platforms typically don't support complex integrations or require costly third-party add-ons to patch the gaps. 5. Security and ownership risks. With DIY builders, your data and hosting are tied to the platform. If they shut down or change their pricing model, you're at their mercy. You also get limited control over security settings, making your business vulnerable. Real-world consequences. A slow site frustrates visitors and increases bounce rates. Poor SEO prevents potential customers from finding you. Cookie-cutter designs erode brand credibility. Limited functionality hampers customer service and conversion. For a growth-focused business, these drawbacks aren't just minor, they're deal-breakers. Limited customization hampers scalability, SEO limitations affect discoverability, weak branding reduces trust, and security risks expose sensitive data. These issues combined can significantly hinder business growth and reputation. Deal breakers. When DIY is fine, and when it's not. DIY may work if you're launching a personal blog or portfolio. It's a temporary MVP or landing page for testing an idea. Budget is extremely limited and the stakes are low. But if you rely on your website to attract and convert customers, want to grow and evolve your business long-term, need integrations, branding, and performance, then DIY just won't cut it. The smarter choice, custom web development. Partnering with a professional web development agency unlocks tailored solutions that evolve with your business. Clean, fast code, optimized for SEO and performance. Secure, scalable infrastructure, unique branding and UX that sets you apart. Over time, the return on investment from a well-built custom site far exceeds the short-term savings of a DIY option. For example, businesses with custom websites often see faster load times, improved conversion rates, and stronger SEO rankings, leading to increased traffic and revenue over time. Final thoughts. DIY website builders can be great for simple needs, but serious businesses need serious websites. Your website is often the first impression a customer has of your brand. Don't risk that impression on a one-size-fits-all template. Ready to level up? Contact Webmobyle to build a powerful, professional website tailored to your business goals. Want to hear some more from the Webmobyle blog? Please subscribe and follow. Thank you for listening to the article from Webmobyle.com. A subscription button is available at the end of each blog post. We would love it and also encourage you to leave your comment at the bottom of the page. Cheers, hope you listen or read again soon.